Have you ever been locked out of your own PDF file because you forgot the password or received a document with restrictions that prevent you from printing or editing? If you need to remove PDF password protection quickly and safely, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and most reliable methods to unlock any PDF file, starting with a completely free solution that works in just seconds. But before we dive in, I need to warn you about something important. There are tons of sketchy websites out there claiming they can unlock your PDFs, but many of these are actually malware traps or data harvesting schemes that could compromise your personal information or important documents. The info in this video is for lawful use only. Make sure you're the rightful owner or have permission to unlock any PDF. Unauthorized removal of passwords could break copyright laws and terms of service. Always ensure you have the legal right to access and modify the files you're working with. This video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. For most people dealing with password-protected PDFs, my top recommendation is unlockanypdf.com. This is hands down the best balance of speed, security, and cost because it's completely free for basic use and doesn't require you to download any suspicious software to your computer. Here's exactly how to use it step by step. First, open your web browser and either search Google for unlockanypdf.com or type the URL directly into your address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top navigation menu and click on Unlock. Then select Remove PDF Password from the drop-down options. Now you'll see the main interface. Scroll down until you find the file upload area. You have two options here. You can either drag your password-protected PDF file directly into the drop zone, or if you prefer, click the Select File button to manually browse and choose your document from your computer's file system. After your file uploads, you'll see three different options for what you want to accomplish. You can choose to unlock just the PDF file, remove only the password, or remove all restrictions entirely. For most situations, I recommend selecting Full PDF Unlock because this gives you complete freedom to do whatever you need with the document, including printing, editing, copying text, and saving without any limitations. Click that option and then hit the Process button. Now the magic happens. The system will start working on your file and you'll see a progress indicator. This usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to about a minute, depending on the file size and complexity of the protection. While it's processing, the system is using advanced algorithms to safely remove the password protection without damaging the actual content of your PDF. If you haven't already, this is a good time to create a free account on the platform. It only takes about 30 seconds, and having an account gives you access to your processed files and some additional features. Don't worry, you won't be spammed with emails or anything like that. Once processing is complete, a download button will appear. Click it to download a zip file containing your PDF password. Copy the password, enter it into your locked PDF, and you're done. Your PDF is now fully accessible for editing, printing, and sharing. Best of all, this method ensures the original formatting and quality of your document remain perfectly intact. Now, while unlockanypdf.com works great for most people, I want to show you some other valid options depending on your specific situation and needs. First up is Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're already paying for an Adobe subscription and you know the original password, but just want to remove the protection permanently, this is actually a fantastic option. Adobe Acrobat Pro has a built-in feature specifically for this. Simply open your PDF in Acrobat Pro, go to Tools, then Protect, then Encrypt, and finally select Remove Security. Enter the password when prompted and save the file. The major advantage here is that you're using official Adobe software, so you know it's completely safe and reliable. The downside is that Acrobat Pro costs about $13 per month, so it only makes sense if you're already a subscriber, or if you handle password-protected PDFs regularly enough to justify the cost. Next, let's talk about other online tools. There are quite a few alternatives like Small PDF, I Love PDF, Soda PDF, and PDF24. These platforms offer similar functionality to unlock any PDF, and some people prefer them for various reasons. However, I want you to approach this category with extra caution. While many of these services are legitimate, you need to be very careful about your data privacy. Always read their privacy policies carefully and understand what happens to your files after upload. Some services delete files immediately after processing, while others might store them for extended periods. If you're dealing with sensitive or confidential documents, make sure you're comfortable with their data handling practices before uploading anything. Finally, there's the offline software route. This is hands down the best choice if you're working with highly sensitive or confidential documents that you absolutely cannot risk uploading to any internet service. Tools like EaseUS PDF Editor, VeryPDF PDF Password Remover, and SysTools PDF Unlocker can be installed directly on your computer. The major benefit here is that your files never leave your device, which means zero risk of data breaches or privacy concerns. You download the software, install it on your computer, and process everything locally. The trade-off is that you usually need to pay for these programs, and the installation process can be more complicated than just visiting a website. But for businesses or individuals handling confidential information, this extra security is often worth the additional cost and complexity.
So there you have it, multiple proven methods to remove password protection from any PDF file. Whether you choose the free and fast online route with unlockanypdf.com, the professional approach with Adobe Acrobat Pro, or the ultra-secure offline software option, you now have the knowledge to handle any password-protected PDF that comes your way. For most people watching this video, I still recommend starting with unlockanypdf.com because it strikes the perfect balance between being free, fast, and user-friendly. You can literally have your PDF unlocked and ready to use in under 60 seconds without downloading anything or creating complicated accounts. I want you to try this method right now if you have a password-protected PDF sitting on your computer. Go to unlockanypdf.com and see how quickly you can get your document unlocked. I guarantee you'll be impressed with how simple and effective this solution is. If this video helped you solve your PDF password problem, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly creating new tutorials that help you solve everyday tech problems quickly and safely, so subscribing ensures you'll never miss a solution that could save you time and frustration. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for your situation, or if you have any questions about the process. I read every single comment and often create follow-up videos based on your questions and suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.